Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Baobab or Disk Usage Analyzer helps you analyze which file and directories are taking up space on your disk. To install it, run the following command. After installation, you can find and launch Baobab by typing Disk Usage Analyzer or Baobab in the application menu. GNOME Tweaks allows you to customize the appearance and behavior of the GNOME desktop environment. To install it, run the following commands. After installation, open GNOME Tweaks by searching for Tweaks or GNOME Tweaks in the application menu. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.